How to fix cannot connect to App Store problem on iPhone. So if you want to fix cannot connect to App Store problem on your iPhone, then what you need to do is it's easy to resolve. So let's go through some simple steps to get everything working again. The first solution is you need to check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is proper. Just swipe down from the top of your iPhone and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works out for you. If cellular data works for you, then use cellular data or you can use Wi-Fi. But if none of these work, then toggle on the airplane mode for at least 20 seconds. You'll find the airplane mode option right here. Once you turn it on, you need to turn that off after 20 seconds. Once you have refreshed that, check your issue again and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then the second solution is to clear your cache data for the App Store. To do that, you need to open up your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Apps, which is on the bottom. And from the apps, you need to scroll down and then select the App Store, which is right here. Scroll down once again to personalized recommendations, which is on the bottom. And then tap on personalized recommendations or clear app usage data. And once you tap on clear app usage data, it will clear all of the cache that you have on your App Store and your problem will be fixed. You can go and restart your device after that, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.